Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. Here is orange color, blue color, pink color, parrot color, red color, yellow color, green color, and the last one is purple color. Now let's color the doll. So how many dolls can you see here? Here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 dolls.